Hello everyone! Today I want to show you a review of a finished item. This jacket was made of a striped neoprene. I want you to have a close look at the fabric. It's not just striped, there is an elastic net in between the neoprene stripes. I want to tell you about this item for you to be able to work with such fabrics. Such items should be ironed just from the wrong side. This is a jacket for big sizes. It reminds of a leather jacket. Here's a small pocket on the bust. There are also pockets here. All the edges were processed with a net. The item was made using my 10 measurement cutting system. The armholes were made deeper for a person to be able to wear items with long sleeves underneath. Here is a tiny cap sleeve. I've doubled it with a strong net from the wrong side. Here are the shoulder straps. They were also doubled by net from the wrong side. Here are a yoke and a pleat on the back. It goes till this seam. And there's one more pleat underneath it. There are two pleats on the back. There are such nice straps on the sides. Such small details look amazing on items for big sizes. I think that this item reminds of the leather biker jacket. Of course, mostly it will be worn this way. You can see that there is a facing here. Now I'll put this jacket on a table. I don't want to try it on because it's not of my size. Have a look at it this way. You can see that it's too big for me. Anyway, it's obvious that this item is very convenient. I think that it looks amazing this way. Now I'll put it on a table to show you the wrong side. As I've already said, the straps were doubled by net. Have a look at the shoulder seam. It's pressed open. You can see that the lines match and the seams were edged by net. I've already showed you a tutorial on how to do it. The cap sleeve was also doubled by net. The armholes were also processed the same way. The side seams were also edged by net and pressed open. The most interesting thing in this jacket is this seam. For an item not to look cheap, we've added some details which make it look more complicated. Have a close look at this seam. You can see that the stripes match. The seam was pressed open and edged with net. I think that it looks amazing. There's a strap seam from the right side. Don't pay attention to it. Have a look at the pocket. It was made of the doubled net. We couldn't make it of neoprene, for it not to be seen from the right side. Have a look at the pocket opening. Here you can see the seam. This pocket is very nice. I think that it looks amazing both from the right side and from the wrong side. Have a look at the way the bottom was overcast. Modern fabrics allow making amazing items. Have a look at this pocket. It was also made of net. There's a tiny zipper here on the right side. There's a zipper here on the front. It was also edged by net. All the details are perfect. Amazing. Have a look here. The facing was covered with net, then overcast for just 1 centimeter and stitched. The edge is perfect from the right side. The net was edged together with the zipper. I'm telling you once again that this detail is covered by net. Just like the pockets. I show you this for you not to be afraid of complicated fabrics. Modern fabrics are not easy to work with, but when you start working, you'll realize that it's not as hard as it seems. Such jackets are very convenient. You can wear them with dresses, pants with sweaters, and so on. That's all for today. I show you items which can help you be different and beautiful. Don't be afraid of experiments, and remember that practice makes perfect. My name is Irina. Subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.